Conveyor engaged. Check humidity levels in Sector 4.
Levels are stable. Proceeding to storage.
Batch sequence confirmed for 6061.
Verified. Ready for melt cycle. Structural analysis shows a clear pass on the volumetric scan.
Confirmed. The chemical composition aligns perfectly. We are cleared for thermal processing.
The system identifies high-purity aluminum for the R8 engine block, routing it left. Simultaneously, ingots...
The inspection phase concludes. The raw material is classified and routed. Process A moves to the smelting hall for the Audi R8 V10.
Oudman. A robotic system ensures uniform dispersal of the flux across the ingots. This initial treatment is crucial. This automated cleaning station ensures a perfectly clean surface for forging. The subsequent air knives rapidly dry the material. With the charging sequence complete, the robotic skimmer performs the initial dross removal, ensuring the purity required.
The impeller slowly rotates, ensuring complete homogenization and stabilizing the temperature before the introduction of
A highly specialized system introduces high-purity silicon, copper, and magnesium.
Continuous electromagnetic stirring ensures complete dissolution and metallurgical bonding of the specialized high silicon aluminum alloy for the Audi R8 V10.
Data confirmed optimal. Authorize immediate temperature stabilization and transfer.
The massive refractory ladle is precisely positioned beneath the furnace tap. An
The readings on the screen look good. We are ready for the next step.
Agreed. The schematics match the assembly perfectly.
A specialized refractory coating is applied to the Audi R8 V10 ceramic sand cores. This gray
manifest reads R8 V10 engine block. This is mold 800 millimeters.
Confirmed. The clamping pressure is secured.
The sealed ceramic sand molds for the Audi R8 V10 engine block are transported towards the casting station.
The overhead crane transports the high silicon aluminum alloy for the Audi R8 V10.
The flow rate seems stable at 20 liters per minute.
Confirmed. The duration is on target for optimal density.
sticks. The solidification process is tightly controlled using precise airflow and temperature gradients, ensuring uniform.
The blocks are rapidly submerged in a temperature-controlled liquid, locking the internal alloy structure into a high-strength.
A specialized measurement probe attached to a robotic arm precisely verifies the flatness and parallelism of.
The coating ensures the high silicon aluminum alloy remains pristine and protected during transport to the final assembly facility. The suspension component is lifted from the quench tank, allowing excess water to drain. It is then placed onto a precision.
This process, known as precipitation hardening, involves heating the components at a lower, controlled temperature.
The aged R8 VR8 structural suspended suspension.
The fixture is slowly submerged into a series of massive chemical baths, initiating the anodizing process, which converts. The fully certified, anodized Audi R8 V10 struct suspension component is gently placed into a custom form. From the factory floor to the open highway, every component is tracked in real time. This is the precision of modern logistics.
Freedom realized. The Audi R8, connecting the finest engineering with the ultimate driving experience.
The vehicle maintains its composure and steering accuracy, demonstrating the robust and precise calibration enabled by the high